Alright guys, well here's my vehicle, 2011 GMC Sierra. Very common problem that these trucks have. Here's my dash right above the old speedometer. Everybody's having the same problem. But mine, I'm about to lose this whole section right here. It didn't start out this bad, but it sure has ended up this bad. And then you can see right here, got a crack right there, right above the airbag, and then in that corner as well. So there is my dash, and I bought one of these DashSkins. I'm gonna fix my problem. I'm so excited to finally get rid of this ugly dash that I got. Oh my gosh. And I know a lot of you guys have the same problem, so this is a very inexpensive way of making a fix here. Hello everybody. Today I'm going to do a YouTube video on a DashSkin dash cover for a 2011 GMC Sierra SLT. So this is the box. Let me pull it out and I'll lay it on top of the box for us. But here is the DashSkin. It's a one-piece unit. Look how beautiful that is. No cracks. Oh my gosh. No cracks. This is going to be great. Been waiting for a long time to get this done, so I just want to let y'all see how the cap looks. Obviously, I'm matching my color to my interior. I got the right color, and it says there's a sticker on the back. Do not apply adhesive because you will not be able to return the product if it's wrong. So definitely want to check that out first. And I'm going to do a little dry fit first. Okay, as far as a dry fit, not looking bad. Color matches up really good. It's not exact. I mean, there's a little tone on tone, but you know what? Hey, it can't be absolutely a perfect match, but it's pretty dang close. Because you got to remember, I mean, this is brand new paint versus 2011 paint. But that's the little seam you'll have on the side. So of course, I'm just trying to dry fit. Got a nice little lip there. Can you tell there's something on the dash? Yeah. But you know what? It's better than having cracks everywhere. So for the money, I think it's excellent. Probably for the casual viewer of looking in the vehicle, they probably wouldn't even notice. So, all right, on to the next phase, next step. Next thing I'm going to do is clean the backside of the DashSkin. I've already dry fitted to my vehicle. I'm going to clean with some rubbing alcohol the backside of the DashSkin and the dash of my truck. I'm going to go on and apply my adhesive, and I'm going to try to follow the instructions as far as the placement of the adhesive. I got one little spot right here. See if I can get it to come out here. And I may put the phone down here, kind of take a picture of the adhesive after the fact. So let me get this going right here. Alright guys, I got the adhesive on. I had a little failure. I'd bought 2 tubes of the JB Weld adhesive, which I'm glad I did. The first big squeeze I gave, it popped out all out of the bottom, made a big old mess. Anyway, I got it on the cover here. I'm about to. Sorry, I don't have a helper here, so I could actually show you me doing it, but it's pretty self-explanatory. They also recommend, if you got the big crack, to put your extra adhesive on your crack to kind of keep it from rattling and have something to attach onto. So that's what I did. Alright, I went on and placed the dash in to the vehicle. Now I'm going to place some wedges up front here. Kind of wedge it in place. Alright guys, I got my wedges in. Now I got some work materials that I'm going to lay on the dash here. Instead of reams of paper. So it's just kind of what I had. Definitely not trying to advertise for anybody. I'm just trying to get my weight up there. So I'm going to go across the dash and I'll take another picture in a little bit. Alright, I got it weighted down. I'm going to close the doors and put the wedges in on the sides here. Alright, I recommend standing on the outside of the door, reaching in, putting in this first wedge back here, folding them in half, and then put in your second, and then shut your door easily, and that will force this edge down. So I got all my weight on. I'm going to probably throw a little bit more on here just to be sure. I got some more work weighted things here, so enrollment type things. I won't. Anyway, so I won't tell you what they are, so I don't want to advertise for anybody, but it's approximately 1 o'clock. I'm going to check on it in about 4 hours. Alright, several hours later, I've just opened the door. I'm going to start taking off my weight here. Took off a couple spots over here. Give you an update here in a second. Alright guys, finished the dash install, DashSkin 2011 GMC Sierra SLT, and I did it all by myself. This was truly a one-man installation. It's been sitting up for 4.5, close to 5 hours. Had a lot of weight on it, and I am very happy with the way it turned out. That's the seam there. No crack. No crack. Awesome. Okay guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully DashSkins, they like this video. They were super helpful. This is like, I ordered an extra tube of adhesive. I'm glad I did, because I had a little mishap with the first one. And out the door, this cap and two adhesive rolls, or whatever I'm talking about, the tubes, $135. Great. All right.